Hey, hello. Welcome to another episode of Wisdom Series with Ayobami. And I hope the past episode has been of great use to you, maximizing the information, internalizing it, and using it for the betterment of yourself and for the humanity at large. Now, we're going to continue on that flow of the Wisdom Series. And what are we looking at here today? We are looking at the power of uniqueness. It is no longer a story that every person on this earth are unique from their eye lens to their fingerprints and every other thing. But one thing I want you to understand today in 2 to 3 points I'm going to be giving you is that there are wisdom to application of knowledge known. You've known a lot of things, but I want you to understand this better. The first point I want you to look at here today is that what? Your significance is in your difference. Understand that today. Your significance is in your difference. Now, if you are like every other person, that means that there's no use for you. Any other person can do what you can do. So what you must appreciate in yourself today is that I am unique in my own way. I am better off the way I'm doing things, and I can give my value to the system. Understand that today, and from that, you can understand there are many things that the world needs from you. You just need to find purpose, which we've discussed. And now, understand your uniqueness, because significance comes from what? From your difference. The second point I want you to understand right now is that your difference is more important than your weakness. Let me say that again. Your difference is more important than your weakness. Most people, they so much focus on the negative of what they cannot do, of what is happening, and they don't know that whatever is happening for them, not against them. They don't know that. But they focus on it, and too much, because of the negative focus, it affects them. Now, I want you watching me right now to understand this. Your difference is more important than your weakness. That you don't know how to do some things, change your focus to knowing the things that you know how to do. So what? Your difference is more important. Focus on that. Let me use this as an example. When you want to submit a proposal for your business or for something, they'll say what? Get us, what is your what? Your unique selling proposition. What is unique about you? So you're not going to go there to say, we can't do this, we can't give you this, we can't give you that. No. They say, we are this, we are this, we are this. That is your strength, or those are your strengths. So focus on your strengths today. Focus on your difference, and understand that what? Your difference is more important than your weakness. The last point I'm going to be giving today for you to really understand what I'm explaining when we're saying that your power of uniqueness. The last point, stop studying your weakness, master your difference. Do you get that? Stop studying your weakness, master your difference. Because whatever you focus on for so much time, that is what you become. So from today, you don't want to become the negative. You don't want to I can't do this, I can't do this. And even if opportunity comes that you were able to do before, because you have always been on the negative side of I can't, that is what we manifest. So from today, maximize this wisdom point from this wisdom series, that the power of uniqueness matters, and significance, for you to be significant, it lies in your difference. Second, always know that what? Your difference is way more important than any weakness you have. And stop studying your weakness and start mastering your difference. Do that today, and definitely it's going to be of great use to you. If you're watching this for the first time, do me a favor and click the subscribe button, like and share, drop a comment, a question. Let's know what is going on in your mind, or what this teaching if it resonates with you. Kindly drop it in the comment section, and I will definitely answer you. Do have a lovely one. I love you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Wisdom Series with Ayobami. I'm Academy, Ayobami Mindset Academy. See you on the next episode, and bye for now.